What is your financial thermostat? In this video, I'm going to uncover what is a financial thermostat and why it matters. So, Tony Robbins, he's a major player in the business space. And last year I went to one of his events and I learned quite a few things from that. One of the major takeaways that I learned is something called your financial thermostat. And many people don't really know what this is. A financial thermostat, you might be like, what is this? This sounds kind of weird. And I get it. That's how I thought about it. But then he explained it. And what the financial thermostat is who are you around? What is your surroundings? Who's around you and what are they doing? So my financial thermostat might be a bunch of people that are making 100K a year, 200K a year, 300K a year. And that might be the norm, right? Now, if my financial thermostat was set at, say, $30,000 a year, and everybody around me was making 30K, I would think it was normal and I would think, okay, I'm doing a good job, whatever that may be. Now, the way you raise your financial thermostat is you surround yourself with people doing bigger things than you. So if I wanted to raise my financial thermostat from, say, 100K to 500K, I need to go network with people that are making 500K. And now once that financial thermostat raises, everything's going to change because that $100,000 you're making is simply not going to be acceptable anymore. And you're going to go force yourself to learn what it takes to get to that next level and make 500K. And the same thing goes if you're making 30K. Get around people that are making 100. And then all of a sudden that 30K is not going to feel so comfortable anymore. You're going to say, what am I doing? I'm messing up. I have to fix this and I have to get around this and I have to make my income go up because now your financial thermostat is not set at 30K anymore. So this is a powerful concept. It really helped me change things and made me realize, how things work. What is the psychology behind it? And as soon as that started happening and I started putting myself around people that were doing better than me, it forced me to level up because I felt like I wasn't doing a good job and I wanted to do better. So tell me right now, have you heard of this concept? What are your thoughts about it? Drop them in the comment section below, hit that like button, and definitely subscribe.